Hello everybody, welcome to this platform. Let's provide the solution to this question provided right over here. Okay, now we have given x plus 1, x plus 2, and x plus 3, x plus 4 equals 120. The first things here is to rearrange the following numbers we have. Here we can rearrange x plus 1 with x plus 4, then times x plus 2 times x plus 3 equals 120. Okay? After here, we can multiply this and multiply this together. To get here, x squared plus x plus 4x plus 4, okay, then times x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 6, which equals to 120. Okay, now what can we do? Here we'll have x squared, and this will provide plus 5x, then plus 4, and here we have x squared plus 5x plus 6, which equals 120. Okay, what can we do right over here? Here we have x squared plus 5, and here we have x squared plus 5x. These are common things we can deal with. We can take here x squared plus 5x and rate it to any value like t, any letter t. Here we simply get t plus 4 and a t plus 6, which equals to 120. Then by multiplying as we did, we can do this one as t squared plus 40 plus here 60 plus 24 equals 120. Okay, now t squared plus 10t plus 24 equals 120. Now t squared plus 10t plus 24 minus 120 can be equals to 0, right? Then t squared plus 10t, here we get negative 96 equals 0. Of course, this one is quadratic equation. You can simply deal with finding a t to mean this t1 and t2, because we have as the values of t is equal to a 2, which equals to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 ac over 2a. Whereas our a equals 1, b equals 10, and c equals negative 96. Then t1 and 2 will be here negative 10 plus or minus square root of 10 squared is equal to 100 minus 4 times the negative 96, okay, over a 2. 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Alright, t1 and 2 will be negative 10 plus or minus, here we shall get 100, then plus, here we get a 4 to 36, 38 over a 2. Then t1 and 2 will be negative 10 plus or minus square root of 484 over a 2. So that here t1 and 2 will be negative 10 plus, here it can be plus 22 plus or minus 22 over a 2. Okay, Now t1 and a2 will be, here we can get, by dealing with t1 only, can be equals to negative 10 plus 22 over a2, whereas this will provide 12 over a2, which is equal to a 6. Whereas t2 here equals negative 10 plus or minus, minus 22 over a2. This is equal to negative 10 plus minus 22. This is negative 32 over a2, which is equal to negative 16. And of course here we have a value of t which is negative, shall be rejected. Okay, this value will be rejected. So we're still dealing with this one. And here we have said that above here I have said x squared plus 5x equals to t, and we have value of a t, so that x squared plus 5x will be equals a 6. Okay, now here we have a x squared plus 5x then minus a 6 equals a 0. Here we have to find numbers, two numbers we can multiply to get negative 6, and their sum is equal to positive 5. Here we can get x plus a 6 times x minus 1 equals a 0. Okay, of course here x will be negative 6, then and x2 will be 1. Alright, this is our answer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, share and subscribe.